What is Explain Everything, and how can it help you stay connected to your students and coworkers, no matter the distance? I'm Anastasia, online instruction specialist at Explain Everything, and I'm here to tell you all about it. Explain Everything Whiteboard is a uniquely powerful and versatile digital whiteboard that allows teachers to create simple explainer videos, complex animations, conduct media-packed, engaging remote lectures, and participate in real-time projects no matter where any of the participants are around the globe. Not to mention that all three of these things, presenting, recording, and collaborating, can come together to create truly novel ways of communication to suit any situation. Does that sound like a lot? Because it is. But wait, I know that all of these fancy words can make Explain Everything sound a little bit intimidating, and that's far from the truth. We've spent years making Explain Everything as intuitive and user-friendly as possible. So, don't take my word for it. Take a look. Explain Everything Whiteboard is a digital whiteboard that you can use much the way you would use a chalkboard in a regular classroom to demonstrate and illustrate what you mean. But it is so much more than that. Thanks to all of the supported media formats and the dedicated presentation tools, Explain Everything will make your lessons more engaging than ever. You can use Explain Everything to live broadcast in the classroom, like I'm doing right now, remotely using any conferencing solution you like, or anywhere on the hybrid spectrum, making it the perfect fit for your school, no matter which teaching style they've chosen. Either way, your presentations and your presentation have never been as cool as they're about to get with Explain Everything. If you've ever wished that you had the magical ability to somehow capture the key insights from a meeting or a lesson quickly and easily, well, Explain Everything lets you do that too. Your students are also sure to appreciate such short explainer videos when reviewing for a test or catching up on classes that they missed. All you have to do is tap record, and the camera is rolling. You can add a live selfie video of yourself explaining to the canvas. You can add images and GIFs, doodles, and all sorts of other media, including a live browser, if any questions come up that you're not quite sure how to answer. And if everything didn't work out the way that you wanted to in one go, that's no problem. Our flexible recording modes let you edit your video and make it exactly what you want to be on your own time. Creating explainer videos isn't all about fun and games either. The positive effects of pre-training videos have been proven by numerous studies, making explainer videos truly the best of both worlds. The benefits of possessing skills like collaborative problem solving or cooperative learning are many, and Explain Everything offers a shared space to develop both of those. There is also no rigid structure, meaning that every participant can use the type of content that they need to express themselves the way they want. And if your group isn't able to all meet on the canvas at the same time, that's okay too. Participants can access the canvas whenever they like. Explain Everything Whiteboard is also great for international teams like ours, where we all have to and want to stay on the same page. We've made it super easy to create a collaborative whiteboard. All you have to do is tap twice, and then you can start sharing insights and giving feedback to all of the participants of the project in real time. It's been a decade since our team created Explain Everything, and today, our app is used by millions of educators, students, and creative professionals around the globe. We won the 2020 Apple Best of App Store Award for leading the classroom too. Are you ready to take your remote teaching and meetings to the next level? Go to explaineverything.com and get started.